looking forward to this day. Got some nice big meetings to hit. And maybe, just maybe, I won't be sweating so much today, which will be a little bit better, but you know, I still like being in the field better than anything, I think.
She make me feel alive, make me feel alive. She make me feel alright. She makes me, she make me feel alive, make me feel alive. Till you come back home, until you come back home, until you come back home, till you come back home.
So we finished a few of our meetings, and now it's NDA time. Just short for it's Mitch time. Corporate counsel, the indispensable Mitchell Jacobs. Seriously, every time we do this, we have to come up with language that does not, box us in later on for other things that we do with other people. So everybody kind of wants to own us sometimes. Back at it. I'm gonna shut down early today. Gonna go have dinner with my bride. I'm just lucky enough to have in my life, and really, to be quite honest, I'm lucky that, she can travel with me, and the kids are old enough that they, off at college most of the time, and all that good stuff. But I wanted to talk to you about something that I just have been thinking about here lately. I have the privilege of loving what I do. This is the Friday's the one part of the week that basically my whole operation just kind of constricts just a little bit, basically this evening until like late. But even today, we've got a bunch of small losses that have come in from all over the country and all over the continent. And those things are going to get worked. And we have some other, we have contracts and stuff out on some large losses and that kind of thing, but I was thinking about, the people that are in all the various parts of my organization, which is part of this large loss life that I lead, because I really do most of the large loss. I do some of the small stuff too, but I mean that's mostly on a consultant capacity. But what I was thinking about was, if I had the chance to do something else in this world, I wouldn't do it. I love what I do. And I was kind of just polling some of the people that I work with. And in every case, they talk about loving what they do. That their passion is what they get to do every single day. And, it's really not about the money. It's about the passion. In my case, the passion to do it better, to see that the insured is protected, to see that my clients, my friends, my colleagues are well accommodated for the work that they do. And it is just amazingly exciting to see what's coming every single day. And to be able to touch so many places and so many things and do so many things to help out. That doesn't mean that they're on a lot of hard days. But it does mean that if you can manage to work with a group of people that are absolutely positively in love with what they do, absolutely positively engaged in the cult of the customer, absolutely positively caring for their colleagues, caring for their clients, truly in it to win it, then that synthesis means that, you're going to get there. You may not get there tomorrow, but you're going to get there. This persistent energy of doing it better and better and better, and righter and righter and righter, and smarter and smarter and smarter, because you love it, is, in my mind, probably the greatest blessing of my adult life. Besides my children, my wife, obviously. And, I think that when we listen to a song, if the person singing the song feels it in their heart, I think it sounds better to our ears. When somebody writes something on paper, when it comes from their heart, it feels better when we touch it. I think we are endowed with the ability to feel authenticity. And when you have a group of people that you can work with, and a job that you work, or a project you work, or a life that you work, which has that authentic, passionate feel to it, then I think that ultimately it is effective. And then I think you can take on the world. I know a lot of you that watch this have that spirit. A lot of you that I know, a lot of you have that passion for what you do in a very special way. Every single person I've sat with today, every single person, people that worked with me, clients of ours, everyone I touched today, every one of them had that passion. And any day I can bathe in that all day long, I can stand to be out of the field and in meetings. I hope you have a great weekend. My life continues, and as promised, I will be here tomorrow, showing you what the good sides, the bad side, the weird sides, the awesome sides, the whatever sides of this large lost life. Have a great day. Like it, share it, subscribe, whatever you do. I do appreciate it. It's good to have you here. Thanks for all your nice comments. I have really appreciated that. Have a good weekend.